You look like a little Grim Reaper. Be careful. Watch the stop. How did you do that to yourself? You okay, Bob? Do you need some help? How you doing?
Not good.
All right, Ghost.
Let's see how he makes himself into a ghost.
Oh, I see. He just wraps himself right up.
Ow! Where am I going?
Watch out. You're right next to the basement stairs, bud.
What?
You're right next to the basement stairs. Do not go down the basement stairs.
Ow! 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 Oh.